Good morning, children. Class 9, Subject Biology, Chapter 1st, The Fundamental Unit of Life, Cell. The Basic Unit of Life, Cell History. The study of cell is known as cytology. In 1665, English scientist Robert Hooke discovered cell. He used microscope to examine cork, a plant. Hooke called cells. History of cells. Robert Bourne discovered the nucleus in 1833. Matthew Skeldon, German botanist. All plants are composed of cells. Theodor Schwann, also in 1838, discovered that animals were made up of cells. Cell theory. The combined work of Skeldon, Schwann and Virchow make up of the modern cell theory. The states of cell theory. All living things are composed of cells, or cells are the basic unit of life. Cells come from pre-existing cells. Size of the cell. Female egg, the largest in the human body, seen without the aid of microscope. Most of the cells are visible only with the microscope. Cells are small for two reasons. First, limited size, but the ratio between their outer surface area and their volume. A small cell has more surface area than the large cell for a given volume of cytoplasm. Cells are small. Second reason, the cell's nucleus can only control a certain amount of living active cytoplasm. Shape of the cell. Diversity of reflects a diversity of functions. The shape of the cell depends on its function. For example, the longest cell in the human body is nerve cell, plant cell, red blood cell, egg cell, etc. Internal organization. Prokaryotic cell is smaller than the eukaryotic cell. They have cell membrane, cell organelles, cytoplasm, nucleus. Prokaryotic cell do not have nucleus. Comparison between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Cell membrane contain DNA, ribosome, cytoplasm. In prokaryotes, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria is present in eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell structure, bacterial cell. Only bacteria. It's prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells. There are two kinds, plants and animal. Eukaryotic cell. Look at the anatomy of eukaryotic cell, that is the animal cell, plant cell. It contains various organs, vacuole, chloroplast, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, nucleus, RER, ER, etc. Comparison between animal cell and plant cell. Plant cell have cell wall, animal cell have centrioles. Cell membrane, ribosomes, nucleus are common in both. Internal organization. Cell contain organelles, cell components that perform the specific function for the cell. Cellular organelles. First, plasma membrane. It is a boundary of the cell composed of three distinct layers, two layers of fat and one layer of protein. Second is nucleus. It is the brain of the cell. Porous membrane nuclear contain DNA, nucleic acid. It's called chromatin. Rod shaped chromosomes contain small round nucleus, produce RNA. Next, ribosomes. Small non-membranous bound organelles contain two subunits, site of protein synthesis, protein factory, either free floating or attached to the endoplasmic reticle. ER. Next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticle. Complex network transport channel. Two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. The basic difference is that in smooth, ribosomes free and functions in poison detoxification. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, it contains ribosome and release newly made protein from the cell. Golgi apparatus are a series of flattened sacs that modify the packages, stores, and transport the materials out of the cell. Works with the ribosome and endoplasmic reticulum. Next is lysosome. It is also called suicidal bag. It is recycling center. Membrane-bound organelles contain variety of enzymes. Internal pH is 5. Help to digest the food particles inside or outside the cell. Centrioles found only in animal cell, not in plant cell. Paired organelles found together near the nucleus at the right angles to each other. Role in building cilia and flagella. Play a role in cellular reproduction. It is the structure of centrioles. Cytoskeleton. Framework of the cell contains small microfilament, larger microtubules. They support the cell. Next one is mitochondria. Double membranous. It is size of the bacterium. Contains its own DNA. Produce high energy compound. It is powerhouse of cell. Next is chloroplast. It's present in plant cell only. Double membranous. Center section contains grana. Thylakoid make up the grana. Stroma, gel-like material surrounding the grana. Found in plants and algae only. Vacuole, sacs that help in the food digestion or helping the cell maintain its water balance. Found mostly in plants and protists. It is the structure of vacuole. Cell wall, extra surrounding in plasma membrane in plants, algae, fungi and bacteria. Cellulose, plant cell wall is made up of cellulose. Fungi cell wall is made up of chitin. Bacterial cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Human cell do not have cell wall. So let's review what we learned in this video. First, the discovery of the cell, Robert Hooke, cell theory, exploring the cell diversity, size, shape, internal organization, two types of cells, prokaryotes, eukaryotes. Cell types review. Eukaryotic cell contains nucleus and other membrane bound organelles, rod shaped chromosomes, found in all kingdoms except the eubacteria and archaebacteria. Prokaryotic cell does not contain nucleus or other membrane bound organelles, circular chromosomes found only in the eubacteria and archaebacteria. Thank you.